frequency. You text, pull up, I'm already outside. Seat, lean back, let you DJ ride. You laughing at the skips, but you finish every line. Same favorite parts, like we sharing one mind. You steal my hoodie, say it smell like my day. I wear your lip gloss on my face all the way. You cut your eyes at me when I'm doing too much, but your hand on my knee say you need that touch. Syntonia, we on the same thing. Same rhythm in our veins. You move, I feel the swing. Syntonia, from your breath to your blink. You ain't even gotta speak, I already know what you think. Order what I'm craving, didn't even have to say it. You know I hate waiting, food come, you let me take it. You bite up my side, say you just wanna try. Then you hit me with that look that you love me, your mood change up, I can tell by your hair. When it's up, you chill, when it's down, beware. You front to your friends like you hard to impress, but I see your whole heart in that old sundress. Same song, different verse. You pray for me when I feel my worst. You laugh first when I can't find words, but you hear my silence like every single word. If I fall off, you already got a plan. You don't finish my sentence, you just take my hand. In this loud, loud world, you my quiet space. Two hearts, one hum, same time, same pace. Syntonia, we on the same thing.